Howdy. My group did Anterograde Amnesia in the movie Finding Nemo. My name is Gabby. I worked alongside Thomas and Miguel. The movie takes place in the tropical waters of the Great Barrier Reef and is about a clownfish named Marlin and his only son Nemo. In the movie, Nemo gets captured from the reef and ends up in a fish tank in a dentist's office. Marlin, determined to find his only son and bring him home, meets a blue tank fish named Dory on the way. She introduces herself and tells Marlin that she suffers from short-term memory loss, and she joins him on his journey to find and bring his son home.
The movie contains a main character, Dory, who has anterograde amnesia. This is something that prevents someone from creating memories. This doesn't seem to be very common in the environment or setting of the movie because throughout the film, many characters, including Marlin, who's Nemo's father, are always confused about Dory's behavior and actions.
Anterograde amnesia can be described as the inability to encode new information or create new memories and trouble remembering past events. We know that Dory has this condition because she exhibits the two main symptoms throughout the movie. For example, when she meets Marlin, she tells him that she saw a boat and for him to follow her so she can take him in the direction she saw the boat go. But after swimming for a while, she turns around and gets upset with him because he was following her and she didn't remember who he was. Another example is in the movie, Dory doesn't remember many of her childhood memories. She forgets who her parents are and how they became separated when she was a child. One of the usual symptoms that Dory does not show in the film is that she doesn't create false memories, and we never really see her make up scenarios at all during the film. Oftentimes, people with anterograde amnesia completely invent memories from misplaced time.
In the previous slides, we've established Dory's short-term memory loss as a result of anterograde amnesia. While unfortunately for Dory, there lies no cure at this point in time for amnesia with our current state of technology. There are treatments that would allow Dory to live more comfortably with her amnesia and minimize future memory damage. This treatment is called occupational therapy. It helps patients adapt to their condition by altering movements or incorporating assistive devices. And the goal with this is to create routines that will allow a more comfortable, efficient day-to-day living while simultaneously slowing memory loss. So unfortunately, Dory's a fish, and we don't see an occupational therapist in the movie. So while we don't see her getting any treatment for her amnesia in the movie, I can't see what's stopping a fish from learning to practice occupational therapy. So it is a possibility for her to get treated.
Throughout the movie, Dory struggles to remember things like names, recent conversations, and directions that she was just given. She was able to slightly remember an address that she was given, but once she lost her focus or her train of thought, she didn't have any idea what she was talking about.